What's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to create a Discord bot using Discord.js. Let's get started. Installing Node.js and Visual Studio Code. Make sure to run the installers. Node.js lets us run JavaScript code outside of a browser, and we will use Visual Studio Code to edit our files. Setting up the project. Find and open a terminal application. Switch directory to desktop or any other location. Create a folder for the bot and name it Discord bot or something else. Switch to the bot folder. Open the folder in Visual Studio Code. Initialize a new Node.js project using npm. Install Discord.js and .env. Creating a Discord bot application on the Discord developer portal. Copy the token and never share it with anyone. Enable server members intent and message content intent, so the bot can receive events about server members and see the content of messages. Creating files and coding. Create a .env file and put the bot token in it. Create a JavaScript file. Load the environment variables using the .env module. Destructure the client and intents class from Discord.js. Instantiate a new client object and store it in the client variable. Add an one-time event listener that gets fired when the bot is ready. We are gonna log something to the console when the bot is ready. Creating a command. Add an event listener that runs every time a message is sent. Convert the message content into lowercase and check if it's equal to ping. Reply with pong. Make the bot login using the token. Running the bot. Generating invite URL and adding bot to server. Give it the required permissions. I will just give it admin perms. Testing the bot. It works as expected. Thanks for watching.